up everyone, Pozzie here. Today I'm showing you how I apply my kiss nails. I'm using the extra long length sculpted neon, so the first thing you want to do is size each nail to fit your nail bed before you begin the application process. This makes applying the nails much easier and so much quicker. You're going to line up each nail for your left hand and do the same thing for your right hand, starting from your thumbs and working your way out to the pinky nail. You will have some extra nails left over, which is great. A few things you'll need: a nail file, a nail clipper, a cotton ball, along with some nail polish remover. You're going to use this to clean your nails before the application. You'll need some Kiss nail glue and some nail tabs. I'll tell you my secret: I use nail tabs and nail glue. It really secures the nail and makes them last so much longer. I promise you will thank me later for this tip. Let's get started. You're going to file your nails until they are nice and smooth. Be sure to clip your nails evenly and clean off each nail with that fingernail polish remover. I start applying nail tabs from my pinky toward my thumb. This is just something that works for me. I like doing my thumbs and my index fingers last, so I like to apply the nail tab to the pinky. I start by pressing it down, and then I'm going to remove that plastic film that's on top. Afterwards, you're going to take that nail glue and you're going to apply that directly to your press-on nail. Afterwards, you're going to take that press-on nail and press it firmly down on your nail, holding it for about 30 to 45 seconds. You're going to repeat this process for each nail. The next nail that you're going to do is going to be your ring finger. Repeat the same process. Add the nail tab, nail glue onto the nail, press firmly. Your index finger and your thumb should be the last fingers that you complete, and your nails will come out looking amazing. I promise you. Look at the results. I absolutely love my Kiss nails. Kiss nails only take 15 to 20 minutes to apply. You don't have to spend long hours in the nail salon. And look, they're cute. Bring the salon to you.